going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. Oh, I've got a spicy one. Oh man, this defendant just can't stop driving, and the judge he's not just upset or frustrated, he is pissed. And he lets everyone know he's pissed. Pretty sure everyone in this entire courthouse knows how pissed he is. Oh man, he goes off, let's just say that. It's a short one, but this one's great. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Okay, the court is on the record in City of Conneaut versus Johnny Ray Gregory Jr., case number 25 TRD 25. This case is set for an initial appearance hearing this morning. Mr. Gregory has appeared today with his attorney, Joseph Loftus. Mr. Loftus is representing Mr. Gregory in other pending cases. Mr. Loftus, you are retained on the new case?
I am, Judge.
Okay. Has your client received a copy of the citation that was issued on January 10th, 2025?
He has.
Okay. Does he wish to have a reading of the complaint as well as his rights?
Judge will waive formal reading of that complaint, enter a plea of not guilty to the count in that complaint, and ask to be heard on the matter of bond with this case.
Okay, there are two counts. One is driving under FRA suspension, and the other is failure to reinstate license. I believe that's been charged with two separate counts on that. So not guilty pleas to both?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. The court will accept the not guilty pleas. Okay, you'd like to be heard on bond?
As to bond, Judge, and as you reflected, I know I represent Mr. Gregory in similar cases before your court, those being 24 TRD 761 and 24 TRD 812. I have been retained by Mr. Gregory on both of those, and we are actively working those cases and trying to address the underlying situations in those cases and get Mr. Gregory back on track. And when I mean back on track, I mean being a validly licensed driver. Since the last court hearing, my client has updated me. He has retained new employment through Elite Employment Temp Agency. He's now working at Zerko Plastics, making about $15 an hour. With that temp agency he's working with, he was able to secure transportation weekly to work at the cost of $75. That, plus other family members, will mean Mr. Gregory is no longer driving at this point in time, and I have stressed the importance multiple times with Mr. Gregory to refrain from operating a motor vehicle until he is a validly licensed driver. He is also engaged through Catholic Charities with a caseworker working on obtaining stable residence and hopes to get some of that put into place as well. So he's actively putting the steps forward. He's trying to keep that employment and that income coming in so he can start paying this court's fees or this court's costs and any reinstatement fees. He really wants to have the ability to continue doing that during the pendency of these cases. So for those reasons, Judge, I would ask for a PR bond set in the matter deemed appropriate by this court.
All right. Decent job by the attorney. I'll give him an A for that. So he's got two pending driving without a license already going. They're pending. Not concluded yet. He gets a third one. This is the arraignment for the third one. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, before I hit that play button, you might want to turn the volume down. The judge gets really loud really quick. It's a warning. Let's go.
I think the other cases are set for pretrial on February 19th. The allegations are that this driving incident took place at 11:45 p.m. What shift is your client working?
What's your first shift, Your Honor?
Look, Mr. Gregory, I'm not expecting for you to respond. I'm going to set this case for a pretrial conference on the same date as the other pending cases. You are facing a lot of jail time in these cases, and I don't want to hear any excuses from you today or at any time about why you're driving. I'm fed up with you constantly being in this courtroom driving against court orders while pending cases are happening. This is constant, well before Mr. Loftus was ever involved in representing you. If there's one more incident between now and the next pretrial where you come in to this court having gotten another citation, you might as well just walk to the jail. I'm fed up with you. I can't believe I'm letting you go. I can't believe I'm letting you walk out this door. It's constant with you. And I don't get why I keep being so generous to someone who just thumbs his nose at me. Get your client out of here. I don't want to see his face until the next pretrial. Bond is set, $5,000 personal recognizance, not to operate or be in the driver's seat of another vehicle. Thank you, Mr. Loftus.
And that's it. Short and sweet. Hopefully you guys listened to the volume warning that I just sent that I said before. Anyways, get out of my face. Get your client out of my face. I love it. I love it. Hopefully you guys did as well. Please hit that like button. That's it. Until next time, bye.